Many of our wood decay fungi, in fact, most of our wood decay fungi are what we call obligate saprophytes. In other words, they can grow only on dead wood. There are a few species, however, that can cause what we refer to as a heart rot, in which the decay of the wood in the interior part of the tree is in living trees rather than dead trees. This is an example here of what we often refer to as a saprot or a slash rot wood decay fungus, in which this tree here is quite alive, as you can see, but the branch, for whatever reason, was killed or died, and this obligate saprophyte, this fungus that can only grow on dead wood, was able to come in and colonize the wood, and it is in the process of reproducing. This very long material, white material you see there, are actually the spore-bearing area of this particular fungus. More than likely this is quite brittle, and in fact it is, and it breaks off. But interestingly enough, this decay will only go down to this juncture right here. We find it almost never going into the living part of the tree. And that is because these living cells inside these trees for this particular fungus, present a very formidable obstacle. They can't get by the living cells. These fungi, and as I indicated, most wood decay fungi are capable of decaying and breaking down only dead cells. This is an example, by the way, of a white rot. And I think you can see very nicely the bleached nature of the wood as a result of the hyphae in there producing enzymes that degrade and break down the brown or lignin component of the woody plant cell.